Hello?
Yes, brother.
Yes.
Alright. We have two machines.
Mm-hmm.
This one is 11 NG. This is 11 NG.
Right.
This one is 19C. Okay.
Okay.
This is 11G 13 years. This one is 19C. Database. Okay.
We don't need 19C database
Why?
because you are upgrading 11G to 19C.
Okay. What should we do for this stage?
Mm-hmm.
We start up or not?
Yeah, startup 19C. On this,
And TC or
I'm sorry, startup this 11G. And on IP 100, you have to install 19C there.
yeah, I know. 400 is installed for 19C, yes.
No, on 100, 100.
And 100 is 11G.
100 is 11G, but here also we have to install 19C Oracle Home
For 11G.
for 19C.
Or this one.
Yeah, here.
We install for 19C also.
Yes, we have to install 19C also.
Okay. Why we need to install for 19C for 11G or 80 started? Why we need it?
We need it because we have to check whether we can upgrade 11G to 19C without any issues or not.
But production environment is not possible to do this one, right?
Hmm.
Oh. Brother, let me ask you one question.
Yes.
I already installed for 11G, right? On 100.
Yes.
That server.
Yes.
What we need to install for another database for 19C.
No, we are not installing a database on 19C on 11G. We are just installing the Oracle Home on 11G for 19C.
Already we have Oracle Home for 11G. We remove it for that one. We install for 19C or stay for 11G.
No, 11G will be there, 19C will be there. Both will be there.
Okay. I'm understood it for it. No matter. Okay, it's coming.
Yeah, so
Then we unzip for here or we are going for the
you can unzip here only.
11G.
You can unzip here only.
Well, did you have any document for related or GG for data card?
Data card?
Yeah.
Sorry?
For documents. Any documents for related for GG for DG?
I have documents for DG.
For gold for data card.
Yeah, for data card.
Okay, that's good. This computer is very fast. I think you are part from Muhammad Ansari course for 19th, right?
Sorry?
I think you are part for 19th database for Ahmed Ansari. Provided it.
Can you type in? I'm little bit getting. Can you type?
Okay, that is was answer for here. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so now it is unzip. Okay. And
Can remove it for this.
no, don't remove anything. Just leave it. We will remove it afterwards. Okay. So now the step number 1 is that you have to connect to your 11G database.
Okay, we are connected.
Okay, and then you will check. First, we will check for the invalids.
Okay. What was that one? I think I have not
Select count. Select count. Star.
Count.
Yes, star. No. Can you give me access, or I can write much faster because I will help that.
I think you are typing right now. Okay, try it.
Okay, just give me a second, man. Just give me a second.
You are not typing anything, right?
No, just give me a second, man. Just give me 2 minutes. I'm just adding my system.
Okay, you are writing for right now. Okay.
Yeah, okay, I will write down. Just give me 1 minute. I'm just attaching my system. It is not working, so giving a power supply to it. Okay. Okay, so yes, I can type in now. Okay. So we have to check the invalids. For that, we have a command select count star from db underscore objects where status is equal to invalid. Okay, so first we will check for the invalids. Then we will purge the recycle bin. And the command for that is purge purge DBA underscore recycle bin.
Okay. What shall we do it for this one?
Yeah, it is there if there is anything in the in the recycle bin. When we delete or when we drop anything from the database, it goes to the recycle bin. So we are just purging that.
Okay.
Okay, and your database should be in archive log mode or what it is?
There are a couple of models. It's our couple of models.
Archive log list. So it is in
Yeah.
archive log
And
mode. Okay, so then we will gather the stats. Okay, so that is execute dbms underscore stats dot gather underscore dictionary underscore stats. Okay, so here we are gathering the statistics for your database. It says it should be declared execute dbms underscore stats.
what we will do for statistics for what we'll do it for?
We are gathering the stats so that the correct versions, the correct state of your tables, things should be gathered.
Okay.
It is a very important. Okay, I think the spelling was mistake. Execute dbms underscore stats stats dot gather underscore dictionary underscore stats. Yeah. So there are the data dictionaries. Data dictionaries in our table space, sysaux and system, which holds the information about the tables. How many rows are there? How many columns are there? How many data is there? So we want that information to be gathered so that when we move on a new database and we run a new execution plan, that execution plan should have the latest stats with it. Okay.
Okay. But this one was statistics for the how many rows, how many tables, then we statistics and give. Okay.
Yeah.
What is the benefit for execution this?
Yeah, it will help in the execution plans during the execution of the queries. It helps during that.
Okay.
Okay, so now we have,
Understood.
yeah, we have gathered the stats also. We have purged the recycle bin also. Now what we will do is we will have the we will make a directory here. Let's make a directory, make directory -p slash u02 slash spool slash pre upgrade. Okay, so I am making a directory here, and this directory will consist of multiple scripts that we will be just creating now. Okay, so after this we have to run a pre-upgrade.jar utility. Okay, there is a pre-upgrade.jar utility which is available in the 19C home. We will be running that utility here. So for that, how you will run that is there you need to have the Oracle homes for the 11G, Oracle home for the 19C. So my Oracle home for 11G is equal $Oracle underscore home. So that is my 11G home. Okay, and the location where I have installed the 19C is
This one.
this is the one. Okay. Okay, so you have installed here only. So what we have to do is we have to run the pre-upgrade, and the command for that should be
Also, this one, we have.
no, leave it.
11G.
Leave it, no problem. That is a zip file. Okay. So what we will do, we will give the location of the 11G. Okay. From here we have a file called JDK, and in JDK there is a bin directory, and then there is a Java. Okay, we have to use this. Then there is a jar minus hyphen jar, and then we will give the home for the 11G. And the 11G you have installed in the same what called U02, right?
Okay.
So in the case of U02, we will have U02. Here you should have our DBUMS. Then here you should have admin. Then here we will have pre-upgrade.jar. Okay, so this is the location of my 11G. This is the location of my 19C where the pre-jar upgrade is kept. And then I will say file directory, and I will give the location of the directory that I have just made here. Okay, and when I
Let
will,
me ask you one question.
yes.
When we do for this one 11J, you moved for 19C, or also we stay for here?
No, we will move it to the 19C.
Okay. Not now, but my scenario was that.
I understand you, sir. Let me explain your scenario. Okay, can you see something being drawn? No. Yeah, you can see something drawn on your screen.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So our scenario is that you have a server where we have 11G installed, and what you want a different server here, which is a IP of 200, and you want this 11G to be taken up to this place, right? This is your
Yes.
recommendations. But before that,
we wanted to take for this data to restore for this one.
yes,
Only.
yes, from here you
11J stay. 11J will stay same.
yes, so you have a server with a name with the IP 100 on which you have 11G installed, and you want that 11G should go to this server 200 and it should work as 19C, upgraded to 19C, right? So,
Yes,
but
yes, yes.
before this, a step need to be taken, and on this server, we have to configure the 19C Oracle home, which you just did.
Okay.
Okay, and after that configuring, we have to run the pre-upgrade. Okay, which we are doing right now. And when the pre-upgrade will confirm everything, okay, this everything is good, you can upgrade it from 11G to 19C, then we will take it to 19C. Okay, so
11G stay with same database.
yeah, 11G will be there.
Number.
Yeah. So
Okay, good.
so we will enter this command here, and it will run the pre-upgrade jar from 19C, and it will execute some of the scripts. So as you can see here, it has given you these three scripts. Okay, so these are the fix-up scripts, and this script is the pre-upgrade fix-up which we will run before upgrade, and this is the post-upgrade script which will be run after the upgrade, and this is the pre-upgrade log which will be just go and check what is inside this. And as you can see, all these files are created in a directory which I created, U02 spool pre-upgrade. Okay, so let's go to this pre-upgrade.log and see, let's see what is inside this and what it is recommending us. Okay, so when you go here, you see this command that we are upgrading to 19.0. The database name is ORCL. The current version is 11.204, and it is working in archive log mode. And here you can see the time zone is 14. Okay, so we have to change this time zone also later on. Then you can see that on this 11G database, you have these many Oracle components installed, and they all these components will be upgraded. Okay, all these components will be upgraded. So now it says that before upgrade, these are some required actions that need to be performed. And it says that before upgrade, you need to change the DB recovery destination size, because the size you have given is less. So you have to change that. Okay, we will change the DB recovery desk size. Then let's do it simultaneously so that we don't have to wait. Can you give the password for that? Okay, so we will, as you can see, export Oracle underscore SID is equal to ORCL SQL plus slash SS DBA, and then why says PS
I
minus.
think it. Okay, okay. Let me. I think it was better.
Okay, thank you. So now, when we say when we say archive log list, and when we say show parameter DB recovery, and it will show us how much size is there, though we can see the size is quite less, which is not recommended by the 19C. So we will say alter system set DB recovery file test size is equal to, suppose we will say to it 5500 M, scope is equal to SP file, and then we will shut down this database. Then we will again start up this database. And after, now we will check show parameter DB recovery. We will see that now the size has changed. Okay, so now it is 5500. So we have resolved one action, that we have changed the size of our DB recovery destination size as recommended by the pre-upgrade script. Okay, so now the second thing is they are saying is that you have to change the value for this processes parameter. Okay, we will do that. So how we will do that? We will just say, come to this 100 screen here. We will say show parameter process. So right now it is processed to 150. So we have to change this. So alter system
No.
set processes is equal to 300. Okay, because as per the recommendation, they are saying that it should be minimum 300. So we will say 300. Scope is equal to SP file. Then we will say shut immediate, and then we will again say startup. Okay, show parameter processes. Now the processes is 300. So we have resolved the second issue also. Now we have changed it to 300. Now we will go to this part, that we have to remove the repository. So for that, it is saying that you have to copy the em remove script from the 19C home into this 11204. So for that, let me show you how you will do that. So let me again do a duplicate session. Let me connect
There's
to.
downtime when we use it for this method.
Sorry.
There's any downtime for
Definitely you will take a downtime from your company. You cannot run all those things while people are working, so you always take a downtime. Then we will perform these all informations here. Okay, so now it is saying that you have to copy this em remove file from the 19C home to your 11G home. So we will do that. Okay, so my 11G home is echo $oracle underscore home. That is my 11G home, and I have to copy U02 slash. Okay, what I have to copy? I have to copy this file rdbms em remove. Okay, so I will copy u02 rdbms em remove, and I will copy it to which location? To my 11204. Okay, so 11204 location is this, and here you will go to rdbms admin, and we will copy it. IEM remove .sql, and if you want, if you will check, if you will see that this file is not available here. Okay, let me also confirm that, so that people don't tell you that, but I will show you that also. So what we can see here is that this file does not exist here. Okay, if we just check ls-lrth and this file, it is not accessible, it is not there. Okay, so that's why we are copying it from that location to this location. So this file is copied here. Now if we will check, this file is available here, and then now we will do the requirement. What it is saying, that you have to run the em remove command. Okay, so we will remove that. And if you have em running, so first stop the emctl, stop db console. If you have a enterprise manager there, stop it. And if you don't have it, we don't need to worry about it. And then you have to em remove. Okay, so the command for that is set echo on, set echo on. Then the second command is set server output on, and we have to run that script, and my script is located at this location. I will give the path of that location. Okay, so once it is done, we will move to the fourth step, and the fourth step tells you to remove the OLAP catalog, because this has been out of use. So we will do that, but before that, let's wait for some time before this em works is completed. Okay, so now em work is completed. So now we will go to this fourth step, and it says that you have to remove this file. Okay, we will remove this file. So the command for that would be @ and you will copy this command from here, and the file is located at your OLAP admin. Okay, OLAP admin, this is my file. So okay, this is your file. If you want to check whether you have this file in 11G or not, let's check it quick. ls-lrth. Okay, this file is there with us. So let's run this file as per the recommended from the 19C pre-upgrade. And this will drop all the OLAP catalogs, because this is outdated and it is not used in your 19C. That's why they are asking you to remove all those things. Okay, so now it has been removed from here. So let's move further down. It says to upgrade the Oracle Express edition. We can ignore this command. Okay, this will be upgraded automatically. And then it says to for the materialized views should be if you are upgrading those things, you should check whether the materialized views are not into the working state, or they are not upgraded. We have a command for that. Let me remember that command. I will show you that command, how you will. There was a command.
Okay. This is the field description.
Yeah, okay, we can leave that. Then you can see here point number 7 is auto fix. Okay, it will auto fix this point number 7 about the triggers. Point number 8 is that make sure all the VMs are refreshed. Okay, we have done that. Then point number 9 is auto fix about the gathering stats. We have already done this, but it will also done it automatically. Point number 10 is about the table spaces size. You should make sure that your table spaces have appropriate size in that. So if you don't have that much size, grow those data files. Okay, increase the file in the data files. Then it is says in the Oracle home run this located in the new database home to remove both XFL and UL rules. Okay, that is only information. See, the word which is in the information is not very required to do, but if you will do it, it is good. Okay, so I'm just leaving it because it is not required. And if you have the recovery catalog, then also you need to bother. If you don't have a recovery catalog, you can ignore this. So now we have done this much part, so let's run this pre-upgrade fix up thing. Now I will run my pre-upgrade script.
I think we have to do that.
No, that should not matter. It will work.
Now we have 11G to upgrade for 19C, then we have take backup, then we will start for 19C.
Yes.
For 200.
Yes, you are
But
right.
11J is stay in same.
Yes, it will stay here.
11J is
Yes, 11G will stay in your server number 100 as a backup. Okay. So now
11G will stay for
11G will be still in your this IP 100 IP.
okay.
11G.
Still is working.
Yes, 11G. Yes, and if you have to roll back, you can use this one.
Okay.
Okay. So
When
now
you finish for like backup.
yes. So now as you can see here, this is the pre-upgrade output, and it says that we are upgrading this from 11204 to 19C. So let's come down and see what it is showing us. Sorry. Okay, so we have worked upon this recovery area. We have increased the recovery area size. It says yes, and now further action required from a DBA role. Then we have changed the parameter value from 150 to 300, and it says it has been resolved and no further action required. We have removed the EM. It says no further action required. We have removed the AMD also. So these all things have been removed. Okay, and rest is the only information, that these are the only information. We don't need to worry about that, so we can ignore that thing. So everything is good now, and we are ready to move to the 200 server. But before that, we have to take the backup of our complete database. Okay, so let's make a place also where we will take the backup, so that it should have, for example, let's say cd/u02 or cd/u01 mkdir -p db backup.
We take for that folder and backup.
Yeah, so we will take the backup at this location. Okay, so arman target slash, so we are connected to this ORCL. Let me just do one thing. I need to take a full backup, so
This is the
Backup.
format for backup.
Yes, backup database format this thing. Okay. Then release release channel C1.
Yeah, finished for the backup.
So backup is finished. Now we will take the You are good or you are having cold?
No, I'm good.
Okay. So now we will say backup archive log all, and we will give a format for that. Format will be arc underscore %u, and then we will say release channel C1. Okay, and then the last thing that we can do is one, and then why this is so problematic for me. Backup current control file format. Your battery is running low. Plug in the battery.
This is all. This is. Okay. I'm connected. Okay.
Okay. So now our backups are done. So if we just check, our backups are done here. It is all backups are here. And then what I will do is I will say copy dollar oracle underscore home slash dbs slash sp file to this location. So I have my sp file with me now. What else I require here? I require the sp file for that. I have okay, password file. So copy oracle home slash aura pw So we have the password file also with us. So these are the files that we require now, and then we will move these files to our 200 server. Okay, so this is my server df minus h. So cd slash e01 ls. So just give me a second. I have a very important call coming. Okay, man. Huh?
Okay, okay.
Hello. Yes. Yeah, Priya. Yeah, I'm on notice period, so I'm looking that. Mm-hmm. But I think you have the complete role for OEM only, right? Okay, okay. Yeah, I have that experience. Okay, okay, sure, I can send that. I have around 12 years experience. Yes, relevant to Oracle only. My current CTC is 14, and I'm looking somewhere around like 26 plus. Yes. Yes, I do have few offers with me. That's same. It's like I have some offers for. It depends on company to company. It does not matter. Like, yeah. Okay. Okay. So max CTCs, yeah, that's 22 right now. It would be 15th of Feb. Yes, it could be. It depends on the work profile I might get, and the work the definitely it depends on the working profile, the working environment I will get, and the client or the company I will be attached to. Those all things matters. Is NCR, New Delhi. Then my expectation for the salary would increase. Because the current CTC, the offers that I have is only for the NCR's ones, and so because of relocations and all those things, I've never thought of going to that South India right now, because of COVID also, and because we are settled right now. No, no, I agree. It won't be right now, but hopefully in 6 months or in a year, it will when things will be opened up. Definitely, we will call in from the office work. So we have to think on that way also. So as of now I don't have it in my mind how much it would be, because right now I'm currently looking for NCR regions only, and I had an offer for NCRs only. So I think yeah, my expect I, like it would go around like 30 or 32 expected. Yeah, that is an updated one. Okay, thank you.
Yes, brother.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so let's make this directory mkdir. Let me keep the same name so that will help me out. PW. Oh, no, leave it, man. I will take care.
Okay.
Okay. PWD for 200 mkdir minus P. Okay, so now we will SCP all the files from here, SCP everything from here to Oracle at the rate 192.168.56.200 and the same location. Given the password, please.
Okay.
So up till now, what we can see here is that on server number 100, we have done the pre-checks, or the we can say as pre-upgrade. We have done pre-upgrade for 19C here, and we have for pre-upgrade we have done the prerequisites that are need to be done. For example, we have changed the FRA size, we have changed the processes from 300, we have removed the catalog, we have removed the cat prog and all those things. I don't remember the exact names. Yeah, so we have done all those things. We have taken the Arman backup here, and now we are taking the Arman backup to the server number 200. Okay, so this is now what we are doing here. So now the next thing what we will doing here is when we will come to 200 IP, then we have these all those things. So we will step number one will be to restore. Okay, so we will do all those things here, but we have to do it from 19C home only. There should be no 11G work here now. Okay, on 200 server nothing will be done from 11G. Okay, we will do everything from 19C. Okay, so now coming to my 200 here, and you told me that you have a database running here on 19C, right?
Yes.
You told me that, but it's still not running. Okay,
It's not running because we are not started.
and the database name is same as ORCL, or it's different?
ORCL1.
ORCL1. Okay, then it is fine. So what we can do is we will make some changes in our ORATEF file. And we will say that we now have ORCL1, ORCL for us for 19C3. Okay, then what we will do here is we will go to $Oracle home / DBS ls minus LRTH. So we have everything for ORCL1 here. What we will do is we will say copy U01 DB backup. What should I want to copy? I want to copy my SP file from here to this location. I want to copy my password file to this location. Okay, so these are done here. Now what I will do is I will set my Oracle home as ORCL, and then I will say SQL plus / as sysdba, and I will say startup startup upgrade startup upgrade no mount. Startup upgrade no mount. Okay, so this should go to here. Okay, it says invalid startup no mount upgrade, startup no mount upgrade. Okay, okay, I'm sorry, it should be startup no mount. Okay, But before that, I need to have some other things. Let's come to this place and on my 11G server, I just need to know where are my files. Select name from p dollar data file. So my data file location is U01 app Oracle or data ORCL. Okay, so I need to create this location on my 200 server. Okay, so coming to this place, let's mkdir minus p and let's create a directory for my data files. Okay, okay, I'm sorry. Now it will work. Okay, that is, I have created a directory for my data files. Now I will look the directory for my temp file should be the same. So temp file is also going to the same place. Okay, now select name from dollar control file. So my control file are going to this two location. We have U01 app Oracle. I have already created this one. Let us create this location. Okay, on 200 mkdir minus p. So this is the location for my control file. Okay, then what I have to do, I have to check all those things. Now I have to check for what let me do one thing and create p file is equal to temp p file dot txt from sp file. Okay, vi this file. I have to look out for some things in this file and the parameter is this audit file test. Okay, so we have to create this folder also. So we will create this folder mkdir minus p. Okay, so this folder is also created. Then we have this control file I've done. We have done fast recovery area. We have done everything. Okay, so everything. Yes, so everything is done here. Let me do one thing here. Let me have a duplicate session for this and as an Oracle session. Password please. Okay, so now dot aura env orcl and then cd
You have alert log.
yeah, so let's open the alert log to see what is going on, right? So we have this in the no mount mode right now. So now we will say we will go to the
Arman.
yes. So from here we will go to the Arman target slash and then I will say restore control file from the location of my control file is
You have two.
yeah, I'm just coming just give me a second. So let me open a one more 200 session here for my easiness. Oracle, give the password. Yeah, क्या कर रही हो? So cd slash u01. So my control file location is this. Okay. So I need to have a command restore control file from this location and this. Okay. Okay. So it will say restore control file from this place. Okay. So now we can see that my control file has been restored. Okay, now what I will do is I will say alter database mount.
Mount.
Okay, now we can see that this will mount your database without any problem. It says the database has been mounted here. Okay. Now it has been mounted. Now what we will do is we will restore the database. Okay. So before that we can say list
Okay.
backup. Is it visible here or not?
Is
Yeah, because it is in the same directory. And then I would say list archive log all. List backup archive. List backup arch archive log list backup. Don't worry. So we will work from the list backup only. So from here I will use the command that is a sequence number 21. Okay, so I will say what I will say is restore database I want to restore it at until sequence. Okay, restore database. Just give me a second. The command should be restore database. Restore database until SCN. I want that SCN. So we will say restore database. So let's do that only.
Did you have this text? We have to run this one. Mother.
Okay, I will check that, man. I will check that. I was just going things in my mind. So I'm restoring the database here. It has been restored. Now I will say recover database, and I will say until SCN, and my SCN number was 21. So I will say 21 plus 2, 22. Recover database until SCN 22. Okay, so now I will say alter database open alter database open. Yeah, but I want to alter database open. Alter database open reset logs. Let me try this one. Alter database open reset logs upgrade. Now it says failure of SQL statements. Itna file 1 was not restored from sufficient old backup. Now it shows what is the Uh, so it is only mounted right now. It has not been open. Okay. So what I need to do is I need to say admin target slash recover database. Okay, now I will say exit. Select name, comma, open underscore mode, comma, database underscore role from v dollar database. Alter database open reset logs upgrade. Okay, now it worked. So select name, open this thing, and one more thing I need to check. What is that? What is that? There is a command I'm forgetting, man. Do you know the command? I'm forgetting that command. What is that command? I'm forgetting that command, man. How to check that? Do you remember that command?
What was the command?
That is not coming to my mind. I'm just thinking about that. What was that command?
You see the log, right?
Yeah.
Command was for recovery.
No, recovering is done now. Everything is done here. I want to check, select everything, or describe v dollar database. Just give me a second. Let me think about it. And
I think I have one. Oh, I was thinking upgrade operation. I don't know. What I was thinking. I don't know that moment.
Yeah, okay, I got it. I remember, man. I remember. Give me a second, man. I remember. It is here only. So it was select name, comma, open underscore mode, comma, database underscore role, comma, version, comma, status from $V database. Okay, so from $V database, and what we can say is $V instance. Okay, now this is good. So now you can see here that yeah, so we need to see this, that the database should be open in migrate mode. That is very important. So now you have seen here that I have what I have done here is, I can just write it down on the screen, that step number 1 was to copy all the things to the 19C on 200 server, and then we just restore the control file, and then we will restore the data files, and port number 4 will restore the data files, control files, then we restore the database, and then restore the recover the database, and then we open the database and reset logs upgrade. That was a very important command that you need to know, and then we will check the status that it should be the open migrate. These are the very important things that need to be cross-checked here. So now everything is here migrated here. So now what you will do is, now we will run the db upgrade command. Okay, so how you will run the db upgrade command? And the db upgrade command is run like this, that you will need to go to the 19C Oracle home, Oracle underscore home, and it will be in the Oracle home rdbms admin /bin. Okay, so we are in the 19C home, and ls-lrth upgrade. So there is an upgrade utility here. Why it is not showing me? It is not showing because, okay, so you can see here, that's an upgrade utility. We will upgrade the database using this utility. And how you will do that? The command is for /upgrade. Simple. We will say /db upgrade. I'm just keeping very thing simple for you so that you can understand. Otherwise, there are many. I can change the command also, right? Okay, but let it be very simple. Let it just say db upgrade, and the upgrade will start here.
Okay.
Now we have to wait till the time upgrade. There will be 107 phases in this, and it will upgrade the 107 phases, and let's wait for that time.
Thầy đi bana đây không?
No.
Eh,
Now,
bana dahi nahi hai. Bina dahi.
ठीक है. So brother, you can see here there are 107 phases, and it will upgrade those things. Okay, so I think it will take around 15 to 20 minutes for this upgrade. And once this, so we will wait for that time, and we will, let's see, when the upgrade is complete, we will move to the next steps. Okay.
Okay. I'm waiting you. When you finish, I will call you. Okay.
Yeah, we can. I will drop the call, but let this AnyText running. Keep the AnyText running. Okay.
Okay.
So that I can also see what is happening.
Ganesh.
Okay.
Ganesh.
Okay, brother. Once the upgrade, the phase 107 phases are complete, I will call you or you call me. Okay.
Okay.
Hey, why close the AnyText, man?
Yeah, we
No.
cannot close it.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You're not close. Right. Okay. So I'm also sitting here. I will call you once it is complete. Okay.
Okay, okay. Uh,
Brother, just minimize this any test so that I can see the background. Open the other window for me, na? Where the upgrade is going on.
okay, okay, okay.
Yes, this putty. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
And I just typed in some message. You were saying something about those riyas. What you were saying something?
Yeah, I was saying for Ahmed Azari, the one who was for admin on Oracle moment, right? You know
Who?
that
Who? Can you type his name?
Ahmed Ansari,
Yes, yes.
we was starting for the 19th year, then database administrator. You are part from that group, right?
No, I'm not attending that, man. I'm not attending. I,
No.
yeah, I think because I keep on learn myself only, and that is the best way I do that.
Okay, okay. I was see that group. I don't know. Was removed from me. I don't know what's doing it.
Okay, don't worry, brother. If you need any help, and because I am ready to help and learn, okay, so we can work together. And I told you also that we,
Yeah. Okay.
yes, yes.
What are you saying?
Okay, let it finish. Then we will discuss about those things. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay.
हमजू कहाँ थे तुम? कहाँ थे? है मोटू? अरे 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 क्या हो गया?
अच्छा ऐसा हम सब तुम्हारा अपना रह गया था में आप खाए नहीं हम खाए नहीं लोग पसंद नहीं आता तो बना रहे हो मैं रोका होता ना मम्मी आप खाना लेंगे इसका हां बिछाने वाली दे दो उसकी
वो दोस्त है हमारा, समझे अम्मा, हमारा दोस्त है।
Yes, sir.
Yes, brother. So upgrade is done.
Yeah. Great is done, yes.
Okay. So now we have to do some more steps. So let's see that what they are. And before that, where is my? let's go to this area and so you can see here, because this is what this upgrade summary report. So you can go to this file and you can cat this file to see what is in the output. So it show you that the components which were of 11G have been upgraded to 19.3. Okay, you can see all these things have been upgraded. You can see all these have been upgraded, and the time taken was 30 minutes, as I told you. So now what next we have to do is we have to look into that part. So now we have to start up the database from 19C. So let's see if it is running. ES minus EF rep minus I pmon. So database is not running because after the data, once we upgrade the database, it shut down. Okay, so we have to start it, or env orcl and then sql plus slash as sysdba, then startup. So now we are starting the database which has been brought up from 11G server to here, as a 19C has been upgraded. And now what we will do, we will check it. We will say select name comma open underscore mode comma database underscore role comma version and comma status from v dollar database and v dollar instance. Okay, so it is 19 version and it has been open, and this is the database ORCL and not ORCL1, which was previously also here. So now what you can do is, I've shown you that it has been upgraded. So now we have to do the run the post upgrade parts. Okay, and so post upgrade actions are that you have to check the invalid objects. Select count star from DBA underscore objects where status is equal to invalid. So there are so many invalid objects. We have to make, yes, so we have one more command for that. We have to check the invalids for and owner and for all the sys users and system users. So there are so many invalid objects, so you will compile them. So you know the utility for that, that is rdbms admin utlrp.sql.
Okay, 11G still is there for 100.
Sorry?
11G is still on 100 database.
Yes, yeah, that 11G will be there and it will act as a rollback. If something you require it on 100, you can still use that. It is
Or you
called,
can use or a 19C.
yes. Hello, what are you saying, man?
I think server 100 still is 11G, but you can still use for 19C. Both of them, what you want to do it.
Yes, you have upgraded this is called out of place upgrade. I have shown you out of place upgrade as per your requirement. Okay.
Okay.
So let's wait for a few minutes till the time it recompiles all those objects. It will take around 5 minutes.
Understood it. That is good.
Okay, and from here I need to copy this file also, post upgrade files. Okay, so scp this file to Oracle at the rate 192.168.56.200. Let's copy it in temp. Just give it the password.
You can enter for Ismail only. It's-
Okay, so that has been copied here for us. So let us wait for this upgrade here. Okay, once it will upgrade. So what
You have to run.
now what we have to do is we have to run the UTL RP for the compilation of the invalids. Now the big thing is to change the time zone, because right now the time zone was 14 in 11G. We have to change the time zone, and we will change the time zone so that it can reach to 32. Okay.
Okay. It's very good.
आप हो रही है
वाला है क्या?
Almost, yeah.
It will take time because there are around 6,000 invalid objects, so it will take time. So don't worry about that. Let it run. And brother, once we are complete with this upgrade, just copy these output on a file and save it and send it to me also. Okay.
Well, you are not.
What you can do is you can do like this. You can say copy all to clipboard and save that in a text file. For example, copy all to clipboard, and then what you can do is you can come here and then you say notepad, and then what you can say here, paste it. So everything is pasted. Then file, save as, just write 100 and 1, because this is for 101. Similarly 102, 103, 104, 201, 202, 203. Same way you can save these files to your,
Okay, understood it. When you finish to do it that one. Okay.
yeah, save it on desktop or somewhere and then start.
Okay. Where do you live, or did you find for this bag?
What?
I wanted this bag. Did you find it?
I didn't get you, man.
Did you see the video was sharing with me?
I'm sorry, I'm not getting you. Can you please type in?
Yeah. Look at that video.
Decathlon, Quecha.
Yeah.
You want that?
Did you find that bag? Yeah, I want that. If you find it, it's good for me. Do you
You
live for Karakata or you live for?
can you please type in, brother?
I think saying where do you live for?
I live in Delhi.
Toronto or Delhi?
Yeah.
I think it's get you that one if you are looking for it.
Okay.
Did you find it that one?
I will look into that. I will look for this. I live in Delhi and I live at two places. I live in Delhi and Lucknow.
You have two families.
Yes. And
How many children do we have?
I don't have any children.
Still,
Yes.
I think in the movies, I think nowadays we are hearing for some children we are talking to.
Sorry?
I was hearing some children was trying
Yeah. There is a children in my home. It's my brother's baby.
okay. How many years we have family? Or you are new to?
Married.
Yeah.
I got married in 2019.
2019. Up to we have not get children.
Yes.
Okay. Inshallah we will keep. Allah will keep you inshallah.
Inshallah. So as you can see here, the compilation of the recompilation is over, and let's see how many invalids are now. Select count star from db underscore objects where status is equal to invalid. Now it's 0. Okay. Now second things that need to check is the time zone. Select version from v dollar time zone underscore file. So right now the version is 14. We need to change this version because in case of our 11 and 19C we require a version of 32. Okay. So we need to change it, and before that let's run that file also. ls-lrth/temp. So let's run this post upgrade fix up also that I have copied. So /temp/ and let's see what it says here.
Packet created error.
No problem.
No error. Yeah. No error.
Yeah. Let's
Then
see.
we finished further. Okay.
It will tell us what things are required now and what things need to be updated. It will tell us everything.
I think you are freelancer, yeah?
Yeah, I'm freelancer.
Okay. On India only, all over the world.
I worked every time, brother.
I mean, you have no place to work for it. You are only for freelancer.
Yes.
That is good job. I'm looking for that one.
Yeah, but because as a freelancer, we get less money. This I have seen. People don't pay much.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's all I know it. But it is good for your lifestyle because of what you want to do it. And you want, yeah?
Yeah, because every coin, everything has a positive and a negative part, right?
Yeah. Like that. I think, and with university I graduated, I went to come India for a master degree.
For a degree.
Yeah, master degree.
Which degree?
Computer science.
Computer science.
Or master.
Master's degree. Okay, wow.
Yeah. Inshallah, after 2 years, I will do it. Inshallah.
Okay, okay, great. Inshallah.
How is the fee? Is very expensive or something? Middle.
I didn't get you. Can you please come again?
The fee of a university housing is very expensive or
Uh, I'm not sure how much they will charge as a person from the outside India. So we need to see that part. But
it's finished.
normally, when I do my masters, it took me around like 4 to 5 lakhs.
MashaAllah.
Yeah. So as you can see here, that it says all time zone exist. So we have to change this time zone, and we have to work for this time zone. So let's work on this. Otherwise, rest all things are good. So let's see how you will work on that. I have copied one text from here. Let me copy it for you. So for this time zone, what you have to do is very important steps, and that is that you have to shut down the database and start up in upgrade mode. Okay, shut
Okay.
immediate. Let me do one thing. Select everything from v dollar time zone underscore file. Okay, so current version is 14. We want to change this. So shut immediate. Then we will say startup upgrade.
Good.
And we have set server output on, declare, it can be anything, version, TLS, integer, begin, version, dbms underscore dst. Okay, get latest time zone version, dbms underscore output dot put underscore line, version, dbms underscore dst, dbms underscore dst dot begin upgrade version, and okay, and so now you can see the now the version is 32 which we want. Okay, so shut immediate,
Yeah.
sorry, shut immediate and then we will start up. Now after this, we will just say startup. We will not say startup upgrade. Okay, we will just say startup.
Okay.
Brother, I have to go. I have my fast going on, so I have to open my fast. So I will come back in 10 minutes. Okay, then I will show you resting. Okay, let me go and open my fast. I just come back in 15 minutes and I will call you. Okay, huh?
Okay. All right. Okay. I'm waiting for you.
Okay, brother.
Yes, bro.
Yeah, brother, I'm back.
Okay. Okay. Then it's okay.
Okay, so now it is open. Now what I have to do is set server output.
Set server output on what it means by that.
It will show the errors and everything. Otherwise, it will not show the error. It is basically for the procedures, because when we write this begin and end procedures, it is for that.
Okay. Oh.
dbms underscore dst dot end upgrade dbms underscore output dot put underscore line db underscore dst and underscore upgrade, and failure is equal to false. dbms underscore output dot put dbms underscore output dot put underscore line. Now it says that at number 5 dbms underscore output dot put underscore line. Let me copy it on the notepad. Okay, so now select star from v dollar time
Fine.
zone underscore file. So it should have increased from 14 to select spelling. So we can see that it has changed from 14 to 32. This is the requirement. Okay, so we have changed the time zone also now. So now what is left is nothing. Everything is done here and your database is upgraded. Okay. So let me
We
close.
have all
Tell me.
that we have. We have all that for 11G on 97.
I didn't get you. Please come again.
Right now we have all that from 11G to 19C.
Yes, we have upgrade 11G to 19C. Exactly. Let me close this window. I don't require this window. The output of this window is good. And this window is also required. This is also required. Okay, required and required. Okay, so
All of
we
all
have
we have this one. Where is that? This one we have needed, right?
no, we need everything. Output of everything.
We have did for you.
You did for me.
I did for yeah.
Okay.
Did. Also you did it. I think in this one.
I did only for one. Okay, you did it for many things. Okay, thank you.
This one we will not need it, right?
Yes. I did one and you did all the things. Okay.
This one we will not need it, right?
Right.
Okay.
So what we have learned today is that we had a database 11G running on a server with a IP.100. So we have to upgrade that database to 19C, but we upgraded the database of 11G on a new server that is 200 IP. So now we have both the databases, the database from the 11G also and the database as an upgraded database to 19C also. I hope I'm clear.
Okay. Right now 11G still is remaining for 11G or is upgraded for 19C.
Yeah, on 100, if you will come to 100, okay, on here, if you will check, you have this running database ORCL, and this database is still on 11G. Okay,
Okay.
this database is still running on 11G.
Okay, understood. That's great.
Okay, this is still running on 11G.
I understood it. Thank you, brother.
Okay, brother.
I saved it all of them. Let me check.
So you wanted to join his class, kya? Ahmad Ansari.
I was refused that.
Huh?
I was refused it for me.
Then that should not be a problem. But what is your requirement? Sometimes you ask for golden gate, sometimes. So what is your requirement? I never understood your requirement.
A requirement for right now we are finished, right?
Yeah, we have finished upgrade. 100%.
Okay. I closed for and this correct.
Yes, you can close this.
My objective was to for uh, GG and that is the two technology we want to learn it.
Okay. And you are good with databases, right? You are good with 19C database. You know everything in that.
A little bit. I have no overview but I'm not now for deeply 19C.
Okay, because you can connect my session. Okay, connect my server right now. You have my IP. Connect on any desk.
Have you tried for before?
My IP is 806.425.553.
Have you tried ever for hack session? Did you know for hacking?
Which session?
Did you know for how to hack something?
No, I don't know.
Really?
Which one?
Hacking, have you tried for something to hack it?
Hug it.
Yeah.
No. Like if you can show me, then I can understand what you are saying. Or if you can type it.
Um,
No. Hacking is a very
Truly?
hacking is a very um, difficult task.
Yeah?
Yes.
Hacking for Siri?
Yeah, hacking. Hacking is
Yeah.
tough.
Siri stuff. Yeah. But you have never tried to do it that one.
Which one?
To hack something.
From where?
Anyway.
No, I never tried anything for hacking. Like what can we hack something?
Yeah.
We need to understand what we can hack, na?
Okay. No problem. If it's good, if you're not trying, it's good because it's something for haram.
Absolutely, yes. By mistake, if somebody can get something or somebody unknowingly get something, that is a different story. But if somebody tries to do that, then it is a thing, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so here what I want to show you, because yeah, I want to say that I'm working on those things, those standby and everything. So I
I've not
just
seen your. I think you are not seeing your screen.
you're not seeing my screen.
Yes.
Why? I have
Let me cancel it out. Connect it.
yeah, just send the request again.
Did you see? I will connect it again.
No, not yet. Just send it again.
So yeah, 806 425. 553. It closed, I don't know.
It's closed. No, it's up again. Now I can see you. Can you see my screen now?
Waiting for image, I don't know. Yeah, I see you right now.
Okay. So I was saying this that I am working on the standbys and 19C part. So that's why I'm working right now on many things. So that's why I ask you, what is your requirement exactly? So if I can fulfill that, then I can fulfill that requirement. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm working on that. Once I complete my all things, so I will try to sit with you and try to figure out those things, how we can do those things.
Okay.
And this AnyDesk is new for me. I've never done things from AnyDesk, right? So it's quite possible that sometimes we can touch some here or there. So that's why you might have an impression that things are going here and there. It would be
What are you saying? What are you saying? Repeat again. I'm not understanding.
no. I'm saying this AnyDesk is new for me. I don't know much about AnyDesk, right? I'm learning AnyDesk.
Disk ID.
Sorry.
What are you saying? I'm not understanding what I'm saying.
I'm saying that I've just typed it that AnyDesk was new for me. Okay. And I am still seeing how it works. So
And disk using for is new tool for you.
yeah, this tool is new for me, AnyDesk.
Okay. Also, you can minimize it with that. I don't know. Yes.
So this question is like, for what need is this?
I don't know. I'm asking you the only.
Okay.
हलवा खाएं
I'm
गाजर
asking
का
you.
नहीं
I was suspecting something. I don't know.
Yeah.
I was suspecting only.
Okay. Suspect.
Yeah.
Okay.
But if you have not tried to do some hack, it's good for me and for you.
Like you want it for me only.
Yeah.
Like why you think like that? Why you think like this?
But I was suspecting something. No matter if you have not hacked something, it's good for you.
Okay. Yes.
I was suspecting only. Oh, I'm telling you. Okay.
Okay. No issues.
I think it's not something to do in Ghana. Because if I'm given all my privilege to do something on my computer, right?
Absolutely. Yeah. See that.
I don't know what you have to do on my computer. That's why I ask you.
True. See, that has to be trust, because right now I also have given you the full permissions,
Okay.
right?
Because I didn't see what is your to do it computer inside because. Okay. No problem. Leave it. It's
Okay.
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 What are you doing for right now?
Right now, I'm working on these things only. So, on a standby and all those things.
I'm trusting as a Muslim people, no problem.
That's why I also only trust Muslim people,
Okay.
and I'm ready to help Muslim people on the very first basis also, without any demand, without any things. I just try to help and give my time. And time is very important. Time is very pricely.
I know it, I know it. Because of I work for some environment. My senior is not ready to understand what I have to do for this database. That's why I'm looking to get some knowledge.
Okay.
Because of he's not ready to understand what I have to learn for this environment. I want to challenge him and get some knowledge. That's why I'll get involved in something like this.
Okay, yeah, I can share my complete knowledge because I have learned all this by on my own, and uh, I have just keep on learning from the books and all those things, and from there I learn those things, and I learn from my errors.
Okay. Share it that what you have to learn for. Right now we are using for that environment. I want to get involved also for rec.
Can you type in, brother?
No problem.
Can you type what you're saying? Because I think there's some problem with my this speaker. I am not able to hear complete things.
How I want to right? You get my point.
Okay. Okay, I will train you. Okay, I will
Okay.
train you the best in the market, and inshallah you will become one of the best in Oracle technology.
Okay, brother.
Okay, so let me work on this data guard and rack for you. Okay, I will prepare something,
Okay.
and then we can sit together and we can work on that.
Okay. Did you okay? Okay. Understood. Thank you, brother.
Okay,
Okay.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah, inshallah. Thank you.